So today we are going to be cracking down on data recovery. We're going to be moving it over to a new laptop. The lady's old laptop has a fried motherboard. So what we're going to do is go ahead and pop that drive out. We're going to see how much we can recover of her data as long as the drive's healthy enough. And then whatever I get out of that user file, I'm just going to go ahead and pop it onto the new laptop to make her transition just a little bit more seamless and a little bit more comfortable for her. It's already hard enough losing a laptop, and to lose all your stuff with it is definitely a travesty. So come with me to help this lady get back into her new system. Ooh, would you look at that? We got these fancy little screws. Let me go through my toolkit and see what I can find. Every time we get a battery replacement, especially for a Mac, I always keep these tiny little screwdrivers just because they normally do exactly what I need them to. And perfect. All of this fine. I was getting some resistance from this area. Or this, if you're opening up the back panel just in general. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of lay that off to the side. It will not be in my way. The biggest thing that we're doing here, ooh, would you look at that? Her pet came to visit. Look at that. Okay, that's not what we're here for. We are here for this bad boy. Out of being able to provide some privacy for our clients, we copy the entire user folder over. I am then going to go ahead and add that in here. And we're gonna just go ahead and paste. We are just now checking to see how many gigabytes went ahead and went into that folder. We should be at about 25 gigabytes. So as long as we're very close to that, I'm pretty confident that we got most of the information that she was hoping to grab. Perfect, so we are at 23 gigs. I think that sounds pretty good. Alrighty. And then I am gonna go ahead and eject my drive, which will be here. Fantastic. And then I will show you again what I'm kind of doing to go ahead and pop back in that other drive. This is the drive that had originally came out of this new computer. Right now I have her drive in there, so I'm going to pop this new drive back in, and then we are going to go ahead and put that file download that I went ahead and grabbed, and we're going to just go ahead and put it on her new operating system. Fantastic, and it even has a thermal pad, which is amazing. Ooh, I found that paper. Alrighty. Now we're gonna go ahead and plug that battery back in. This is gonna be nice and fun for me to edit. I probably didn't film very great, but that's okay. Okay. Plug back in my external. Miss Arletta. And we are going to actually select her. We're going to select first. We're going to copy. And we are going to paste right here to desktop. This will be much easier for Miss Arletta to go ahead and get to her information. Awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to also check the properties of this file here. So she is now running Windows 11 with a brand new computer. Everything that could be saved from her old computer has been now saved and moved over. So by the time she comes in, she will have a brand new computer with all of her photos, videos, and files on them, which is fantastic. Awesome. And so far we're doing good. So I'm gonna again shut us down. Everything's turned off. We're gonna close up. We're gonna flip over. And we are now going to add on all of those screws again. Done. The computer's doing great. Let's do its last power on. Perfect. Look at that. Nice little power on by itself. Don't even have to press the power button. Beautiful. I feel like I sound like Bob Ross. I'm gonna go ahead and let them do all of their updates, and then we will be good to go. Thank you guys for sticking with me to the end. I'm also gonna lift you up. Push you a little bit back because you're up in my space. Okay, so as for an outro, What we did today was we did a data transfer. It looked a little bit different than some of our other data transfers. So today I'll reiterate. So we went and grabbed the drive that was in her old computer, which had a fried motherboard. We moved that drive over to the new computer to access it due to its incapability of reading through our readers. So I went ahead and harvested the data there, put it on a drive that is trusted by me. I then went ahead and installed the drive that belongs to this new computer. After that, I went ahead and took everything that I harvested from her information and I went ahead and put it on the new computer, which allows her to have a user icon that's going to be on her desktop, so she can go ahead and freely go through any of the information that was on her previous laptop. So other than that, I hope we have another happy client, which I'm sure we will. And thank you for sticking along with me on this small little job that I did. Thank you so much and have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. Thank you. Bye.